Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be repairing the rear bumper. Alright, so I'm slowly getting them down. Got some more cracks down here. What I've shown before is cracks along here. So this section, I have to do it all off the car. What do you guys think? This whole bottom section, should I paint it black? Or just keep it white? Alright guys, just had a good look all over the bumper, and the only place I think I need to fill is just this nick here. This is actually one that I put in, putting something in the boot, and it fell over and did that. Everything looks okay, just have to take it down a little bit on some of the cracks. They'll have to be when the bumper is off. So I'll just fill that in, and I'll leave it there for today. We'll pick up on getting the bumper off and putting a primer on. Right, so I've just put a little bit there and just a little bit here. So next up, I'm sending them back, and then tomorrow we'll take the bumper off.
Tomorrow for sure.
Just picked up some paint for the rear bumper. I'm just going to head to training now. Yeah. Oh, just leaving CrossFit now. Let's head home and sand and paint the rear bar. I have no idea what I'm doing. Guessing I need to put the lights out. I will. Just make it a bit easier. There. Those two. And that one. I've still got it on. There. Whoa. It's got this clip here. By the looks of it, we've got stuff a bracket there as well. Which you have to get to through here. Jeez. Wow, that was really annoying. Those two bolts. There and there. Whew. So there. And up here. So I just got this one, and this side should come off. And I go to the other side. How weird are these clips? Like kind of cargo clips, but trim pieces too. So we have one here and one down here, and the same on the other side. Must be for stowing your golf bags. Remember when the 350Z and 370Z came out? I was actually working at Nissan at the time. That was the first time ever that I'd seen, you know, stowing your golf bags in your boot. But really, the people that drive these cars play golf, and do they have two bags? Come on. See the eggs? Right where the bolts are. Good thing I'm going the other way. And when I first got this, there was a lot of spiders. Hopefully it's an old house. Looks like an old house. Poke around. So thick. Don't want to blow them up. Okay. Might set the lights in and just do it a quick wash. Wash up the bumper. Get the little horses over here. And continue sanding. Work on that edge. And same with this edge here. Gotta work on that. Just give it a quick little wash. Just the sponge. Just to clean up the spider webs and whatnot. Get the hose from out the back. I'll clean up this on the inside. I'll take those red clips off. Looks like there's a bracket there though. It's like the inside skin. Black bit. Anywho, I can fix up this edge now. Sweet. And yeah. Hey guys, just dried it off, just in that section. Still need to sand that down, so I'll hit that with the sander and give it a wash and scuff up any bits that I need to. I'll fix that corner over there and we'll start laying down some primer. Alright guys, I've hit as much as I can with the electric sander. Going to get the paper out and just get some of the tight edges like on the top there. Get the 400 out and do that. Don't need that on. Alright, it's about an hour and a half later. Pretty happy where I'm at. Just rinsed it off. Gonna give it a wash, dry it, wax and grease remover. I'm gonna spray it with primer and putty, so it's a light grey. And then I'll let that dry overnight. Alright, get my mask on and start spraying a dust coat. Alright guys, that is whole can done. Nice light coat on all of it. It's a little bit heavier. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll sand it so it's smooth because it is the putty as well. And then I'll hit it with another primer after that. Then it'll probably sit on the car for 1 or 2 weeks. And then we'll get some colour and a bit high from the paint peeps. Thanks for watching guys. I will catch you in the next episode. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Bye.